Hey guys, welcome back to Tech Tutorial Box, your world of tutorials. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to enable developer mode on your mobile device. So without wasting more time, let's get to the video. So you first have to go to the settings on your Android device. Then click on my phone. Search for build number. Then click on it until you see a notification that you are now a developer. Then if you have a password on your mobile device, enter the password to continue. You can see here that we are now a developer. So that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to subscribe, like and leave a comment on the video.